My stomach is so big. I've never been able to lift it up like this. My stomach has rolls? Are they laughing at me? Leave me alone.
Recording?
Oh no.
You want to light? Dude, I knew I was getting fat a little bit because my nipples are starting to go outwards. Instead, like they usually are flat, but now they're starting to go outwards, like pig titties.
Pig titties?
Kiss that, baby.
What the heck?
Kiss it, kiss it. Let me get him ready. Cara, kiss it, kiss the lens. Wayne, kiss the lens, kiss the lens. Just go in and kiss it. Well. Bye, baby!
What does that show you, bro?
I feel like you wouldn't even kiss me if it came down to it. Exactly.
Oh, bro, no way! No, that's a dog. Alright.
John is fat. He drank beer and eat food, and now his stomach is where it's at. I don't know how or when or why John is such a fat guy. But it's okay because we love him still. Because if we did not love him, then we would never think of him and we could never be above him because we would never love him. All those long lost kids that had skits. I don't know why. This is tits, this is tats. Oh my god, cats don't like rats. There was a cat right here. Where is it at? Atkins diet. What he needs to go on. I don't know why I'm still singing this song. Because I just totally didn't take a hit from that bong. And this poem is rather long. It goes on and on and on and on.
Ooh, yeah, I probably made too much. It's okay because I just went to the store and bought another one. Well, they can't f with me no more. I just went to the store. Yeah, guess what I bought? Not a diamond chain. Cause I'm smart with my money. They ain't telling me shit. Cause I bought it cause it's money. Whoa.
What's up, you guys? So last week you asked us if we could do the most dopest vape trip you ever seen in your life.
Yeah.
And after all of your comments and after all the love you showed us,
shits.
we came up with this. 2, 3. We out here, baby.
That shit was, oh my god, bro.
That shit never goes. Tune in next week and we about to hit you with some more super dope vape tricks.
It's so hairy. So much hair.
It's clenching real hard.
Damn, them cheeks tight.
Oh, it wasn't.
That's so mean. You need to be like, okay, Ellie, I got you. She's like, stop on the
Young fat can dance too.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's in the link in the description. 100%. But do you have anything else to add, babe?
Tune in for the next video.
Hey, me and that boy, I'll be putting cheeses on my